Because I'm so wet.
Hi, Mom.
Hi, Mom.
Kaya nang inaantay ko.
It's your turn.
This is the moment I've been waiting for a long time.
Yes, I got it. I got it.
Yeah, okay.
Okay, let's speak English
I've been
today.
waiting this for a long time. I've never seen before a creature like this.
Yeah. No one can speak Filipino.
mag-English ka, uy.
Wait,
Robert.
English speaking.
That guy, man.
Oh, yeah. He's strange. He's kind of weird. Please, somebody send him to his house because he's incapable to.
No.
So very deep, capable. I can't reach that, you know.
But wait, let's respect about the visitor here.
Oh, visitor.
You talk about our visitor. What can you say about the visitor?
What can you say about the visitor?
All I can say, he's the most strange visitor that I ever met.
What can you say? I don't know what to say, man. Creature.
He's I can't explain it. I can't explain it. You know, this creature is
You're finished.
some kind of this is
Yeah.
the first time
You're
I've
next.
seen this kind of creature.
Your turn.
Sumagot ka, Rago.
Somebody,
I don't know what to say, man.
ilawan mo, di ba kita? Somebody call a police here.
Do you think we need team experts to investigate this kind of thing?
I want a
I need
scientist. You know,
interpreter.
I never seen a creature like this.
Unbelievable, man. I like this.
Unbelievable.
What kind of creature is this?
Unexplainable.
Yeah. I like you, man.
Love you.
You're so good. I love you.
I
I love ya. Mahal ko ako.
No, don't speak any language. We speak.
I learned it from my friend, man.
No.
Who's your friend, man?
Napindot lang daw, Mix.
Manny
Nag-text
Pacquiao.
na. Nag-text na. Sorry, napindot lang. While inside the bag.
Don't use that language.
What are you saying, fucking bitch?
I don't know you. You don't know me.
You don't need to speak Tagalog here, man.
Oh no, you turn, and then
You turn what?
you turn, I turn.
Wrong turn.
Hey, he's a human, not a machine.
No.
Not a turn.
It's your turn, my turn,
okay.
you turn.
U-turn. U-turn.
What you turn? You turn.
Turn around.
I go home now.
Every night and then got a little. Goodbye, my friend.
I miss you.
Thank you for inviting me here. Thank you for the music.
I never thought I imagined you before.
Shit! Abutan ko rin.
Go.
Hey, you should come back and you turn.